we go.
Now we're going to get right on these SI joints. So right on the sides, right where you're pointing at. So we're going to start on the right side. A little tender, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now the left side here. And then I'm gonna have you sit straight up. And this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look up to the ceiling. There we go. How's that feel there?
Very, very tight.
Yeah. There we go.